Shoptop TV, y'all. I'm at the motherfucking boardwalk, and boy, this is a big motherfucking bird up on this motherfucker here. You see the beak on that son of a bitch.
Baby.
What? Me and me and my baby finna walk right on past this gym boogie. God damn, the beak on that son of a bitch. Hold up, I done lost. Damn, that motherfucker big as hell. You look that way. I'ma look at this motherfucker. The neck on that son bitch strong as hell. Him long. He was this in the water a few minutes ago. Now I'm up on the rail. Look at my baby. She got there itching. Look at my baby itching. My baby got there itching across that thing, y'all. Look at her. Uh-oh. Stop. It's Shoptop TV. Yeah, she itching. Look at my baby. She getting all across there. Let me got there spray so you can see. My baby is trying to get on through. Y'all, the bird is right there. You see him look back at her. She done goddamn backed up. My baby done backed up, y'all. This shit is hilarious. Look, that motherfucker right there. Look, he ready to lift.
Hey, we stuck on the bridge.
My baby say he's stuck on the bridge.